Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Welcome back. Live on Apollox announcement says there's a learn and earn win $1,000 APX token rewards. So guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button down so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. We do airdrops and lots of crypto news and more, guys. So back to the news says how to qualify. Read Apollox short articles, answer all questions correctly, and there's the link. You're also required to make a trade of any amount on Apollox and this DEX exchange. So the link is there. I'll drop in the link in the description box. So all you need to do as a new user says you need to have an account on Apollox. So I'll drop in a link so you can sign up. It's our affiliate link, so you sign up and you get exposed to any sign up bonuses that comes through our link. So thereafter you can also head towards participating in this airdrop. So the short article, gonna go click on start now. So there's a form here. The form shows you the requirements where you're going to submit your Apollox ID. So you submit your Apollox ID, make sure you complete your transactions, and you're good to go. So it says Apollox is excited to announce our brand new activity to help you earn APX tokens while you learn crypto. So you join us every week as we boost your crypto knowledge to new heights and get rewarded for it. Okay, so 10 APX rewards per $10 worth of APX for the first 100 users who meet the requirement. Promotion period 21st January to 25th of January. So you still have time to participate. To answer all questions correctly, this a form, fill up your DEX ID, UID, wallet address, and more, guys. So these are just NFT trends and collections you must know. So what contributes to the popularity of trending NFTs? So you want to read out this article. We'll try as much as possible to drop quiz answers to these questions. Subset of yield farming, true or false. Uh, then also one main risk of liquidity mining is permanent loss. So why does permanent loss occur? So you want to say why. So what's your Apollox wallet address? So you input it and you're good to go. So just about 6 questions, not up to 10 questions, just about 3 main questions. So guys, Shabaki, stay tuned for more. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. If you successfully do finish up, you can also drop your quiz answers in the comment section below. We've dropped the article on this individually, so you want to check these articles out.